Hello there, this is going to be a quick look and review at the Savour MTL RTA by 3CVape and Vaping V1ck. This is currently available in the UK for £32.99. It has a 2ml juice capacity and comes with two airflow posts, a 1mm mouth to lung post and a 2.5mm restricted direct lung post. Okay, so let's get it out of the box. Basically, this is what it's going to look like. Comes with a drip tip pre-installed to fill and just take the top off there. Two nice large juice wells to put your juice in there. Screws back onto the top nice and easily, like that. And then you can take the top off of it. And then that reveals the deck. Okay, it has a very simple deck design. Basically just got two posts there, so your coil fits through straight through those holes there, and then the wicking holes down the sides to put your wick through, and the wicks come right the way through, and you can see just there they poke out at the bottom. So it's a very simple deck design. Also has three air holes, and it has air holes on both sides. Nice and simple, nothing too complicated. The tank comes with two airflow posts. Comes with the 1mm mouth to lung post and a 2.5mm restricted direct lung post. And it's easy to change those over just by unscrewing connector pin at the bottom, taking out the post, putting the new one back in, and just screwing that back in there. Nice and simple. Right, so let's have a little talk about the pros and cons, or what I think are the pros and cons of this tank. So for the pro side, it's well designed. The airflow is very smooth. It has a tight draw. It doesn't have the tightest draw out there, but I'll come on to that in a minute. It's easy to fill and it's easy to build. The cons are, with any tank like this, the wicking takes some getting used to. I found that I need a lot less cotton than I thought I did, and it took me several tries to eventually get it where it worked. The problem I had with it to begin with is it would work fine on the first two tanks, and then when I put the third tank in, it would just start dry hitting and wouldn't wick, and I think that's because obviously over time the wick expands, and it just got to a point where it expanded so much that it just throttled it. The only other con that I can really say about this tank is it doesn't come with the mouth to lung post installed already. It comes with the direct lung post installed. You have to switch out the posts to start doing the mouth to lung, which, considering the tank is called the Savour MTL RTA, you would expect that it would have the MTL post installed to start with. So that is it's a minor point, but it's a point I think I need to make. What I'll do next is I'll do a quick comparison against the three tanks that I covered in previous mouth to lung RTA video, and just show you how it compares against those, and I'll go based on ease of coiling, ease of wicking, airflow and flavour. Okay, so first of all I will start off with the Aeris. So basically, ease of coiling, I would say that they're both comparable actually. They're both quite easy to coil, so I think on that one they're quite similar. Ease of wicking, I would say on that stake, I would say the Aeris is slightly better, but that's because of the design. It is a little bit easier to wick. Airflow, Savour wins hands down on that, because as we know, the airflow on the Aeris isn't really a mouth to lung airflow. It's a very, 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 very loose airflow, mouth to lung. So the Savour certainly wins on that stake, and for the flavour, I would say the Savour wins on that stake as well, because the flavour is probably better, in my opinion, is better in that than in the Aeris. Okay, so next we will compare it against the Siren V2. So for the ease of coiling, I would say that the Savour is a little bit easier to coil than the Siren is. Ease of wicking, I would say they're quite comparable. Airflow, I think they're quite comparable as well. And for flavour, Savour. is much better flavour wise than the Siren. The Siren always did have quite muted flavour, so in this instance I think the Savour is better. Okay, and the last one up is the Berserker Mini. So for ease of coiling, I would say that the Savour is easier to coil than the Berserker. Ease of wicking, definitely the Savour is easier to wick than the Berserker. As you know, the Berserker was for me a nightmare, and always is a nightmare to wick. Airflow, the airflow is comparable on both of them. The Berserker can go tighter airflow, so if all you're really after is a really tight mouth to lung, then the Berserker still wins in that one. For me, the airflow is just right on the Savour, so yeah, but they are comparable on that thing. Flavour wise, they are very comparable. I'd say they're very close to each other on the flavour. The one thing on the comparison of these two I will include in the thing is the refilling. The refilling on the Savour is a million times better than on the Berserker. I literally just take the top off, fill it up, close it, and it's fine. With the Berserker, as I've covered in previous video, you have to turn it upside down, make sure you're facing north, spin around 3 times to make sure that it doesn't flood. So that's the end of the quick look at and review of this. Would I recommend buying this? I'd say yes, I would. I do like this tank. It's very well made. Can't say for how it works with the direct lung post because I don't really use it for that. What I'll do is I'll include links, Savour Facebook page so you can see all the information about it, and Vaping V1ck's channel, which he has a few videos on there. He's a much better video than this to tell you about it, and he also does a wicking video as well. So yeah, so that's it for that. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope it's been helpful and informative, and I'll see you next time.